Hello, Merry Christmas. Welcome to another unboxing video. Happy holidays for those who don't celebrate Christmas. I decided to treat myself to an early Christmas present this year, and I decided to get the iPhone mount with Magsafe for Mac notebooks. The Apple website lists this as compatible with 2018 and later models that are compatible with continuity camera, where it displays where it uses two different cameras on your iPhone and displays one with your face and then one for desk view. That's what they have this mount for. I saw this on Apple's store, and when I purchased it, I figured it was just to be used as basically like a webcam. This does support iPhones with the MagSafe, so iPhone 12 and above. But again, I bought this initially just to use it as like a webcam for my computer, and I wanted to essentially see if this was compatible and would be able to work with my mid-2015 MacBook Pro. And it works well in terms of being able to stay on the top of the screen, and the hinge doesn't like fall backward or forward or anything. The hinges supports the phone with this mount pretty well. As you can see with opening this box, it comes in a little sleeve that keeps it protected. And something that surprised me that I didn't realize was in with the pictures that were on Apple Store, but this little metal bracket right here that's on the back is used for the kickstand. So you can use this as both a webcam for your computer as well as being able to use it as a kickstand. I thought that was really interesting. It was a neat little addition to the device that I bought for 30 bucks. I've been testing it out. I tested it out over a couple of days now. The magnet is pretty strong. Belkin is known for me at least, it's known for making quality products. This is not the only Belkin item that I have, but as you can see here, the magnet stays on pretty strong when it's supporting the iPhone, and this is an iPhone 12 Pro Max, so as you can see, it's supporting the weight just fine with the magnet and everything. So, and as you can see there's the instructions on how to place the magnet on the phone and how to position it so that way you can use it properly. I haven't properly used it with my monitors here because I have the Apple Thunderbolt displays, but it works just fine. It's stable, it doesn't wiggle or anything, and it's pretty good. Anyway, as you can see here, my MacBook Pro is a mid-2015, so there you have it. And then, as you can see, I'm also just showing you how it looks. I have it a little bit crooked, but straightening it out is pretty easy as well. Anyway, with that being said, that's my quick little review and quick little unboxing here for the iPhone MagSafe mount from Belkin. I am pretty satisfied with it over the last couple of days that I've been using it. I would definitely recommend it if you have an iPhone 12 or newer that has the MagSafe on the phone. I have not tested the continuity camera just because since my MacBook is a mid-2015, it doesn't have that support for it. I'm hoping to be able to get an M1 or M2 based MacBook to be able to test it, because I think that's a cool feature and I definitely want to try it. If you are able to use that feature, go ahead and let me know down in the comments how you think of it. I'm really interested to know to see how other people have worked on it, if they've even tested the feature. Anyway, with that being said, thank you for watching through this end. If you liked the video, go ahead and push the like button. Go ahead and subscribe for future content. If you want to suggest something for me to purchase and unbox that many people may have not covered, go ahead and leave the suggestion down in the comments below, and I will see about looking into getting into it. Anyway, with that being said, I will catch you on the next one.